What do you do when you've got a classic 1992 Honda ACTY SDX that's been in the family for almost a year? For me, just driving it around wasn't enough. I decided to give it the full treatment, a complete ground-up rebuild, just like I do with my motorcycles. So we took this iconic mini truck all the way down to its bare bones. We're restoring each and every piece, from the frame up. This isn't a simple patch job. I'm going all in to build something totally unique. A custom restoration that honors the original but transforms it into something more. This build is just getting started, and there's a ton of work left to do. What do you think we should tackle next? A full suspension overhaul? Engine modifications? Modern interior touches? Let me know your ideas in the comments. Yours might just be what we feature in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single step as we transform this Japanese legend into the ultimate mini truck. See you in the next one.